so here is the panel. Here is circuit 12 I just turned on right there. Relabeled circuit 12. I didn't really have the right pin, but it's the Hirsch panel and the Ultronics panel, which are right there, which are turned on. So I just kick 90'd out of here, did a little all thread support right there, 45 down, a couple straps along the back side, and then offset right here into my LB, just enough room to do some connectors right there. Got my wire coming in, pigtailed it out, one for this right here, and then outgoing up into this power box right here, which is landed with 3 fork terminals onto this guy. As you can see, everything is on right there, so quick little doozy from yesterday and today. So finish that up, and then they'll land their banana cables in here or something, I'm assuming. And that's about it for this one. All right, so for my next project, I went ahead and fished some flex down the wall. Right now it's just a string. I forgot to get a finished video, but you can imagine what that looks like. I basically just tied some nuts to a string and dropped it down the wall. There was some insulation, but for some reason it wasn't in my way. It just went straight down to the box. So you'll see that here in a second. So I like to use that trick, tie some nuts onto a string if I need to just drop it straight down the wall. It's really nice. I just drilled a hole up there, and then it drops straight down, and then I tied on my flex, pulled it down with the connector, tightened the lock nut, all that good stuff, strapped it down up top on the sheetrock. And then from there I went back up to 5 East in the psych ward and helped out Steven do some troubleshooting or some final testing on the door mags with the card swipe. So there were some guys up there, the card swipe guys. So we went up there and I was watching his back. He was kind of tweaking a few things, landing some of the power wires and stuff like that. So finally got that figured out. So I think we're out of there for good. And then from there we went ahead and moved on downstairs to the EMS entry. We are going to use our fire bundle and land those where they need to go above the ceiling to their designated spots. We're going to run some hooks down this side. Going to go in and out of these 3 rooms, which you'll probably see here in a second. So we have to add like 3 easy pass. On the back side of the wall, we installed some J-hooks along the wall, as you can see here. So that's going to be going down the hallway on this side. Yeah, and then from there we will be dropping the wire into the rooms right here in the center. So we'll probably shoot a all thread or 2 up there to support our wire, something like that. And yeah, that's what we got started on at the end of the day. And that pretty much wraps up the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Nice and short. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next one. Still need to do the giveaway. But let me know in the comments below, do you want a cash giveaway or do you want a tool giveaway? Because I want to give away one of the American Legacy wire strippers, or maybe I'll just do that on Instagram. But let me know your comments below which one you would like. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Stay safe. God bless. Peace.